The Thompson's baseplate kit comes with a 6mm baseplate, a 10mm packing shim, a 5mm shim, 3mm shim, 1mm shims. It also has M6 cap screws in 25 and 20mm long, and a hex head Allen key. There are 3 mounting positions on the baseplate, in the centre, to one side and off to one end. These line up with the FritsJurgens drilling guide, which is the same for the packers. There are 6 countersunk holes for fixing the plate down to the substrate, and central crosshair points to line it up. By finding the centre of your pivot and scribing the crosshair, which will allow you to line the plate up, you can check this with the FritsJurgens drilling guide to locate the centre of the pivot, which then also centralises the plate. Mark the 6 countersunk fixing points. Take care to ensure that the holes are drilled in the correct locations. Fix the plate down, ensuring that it lines up with the crosshairs all the time. Now you can select the packing shims to suit the final floor finish, and line these up with the holes on the plate. Ensuring that the final packer is a 10mm packer. Locate and tighten to fasten down the packers. Using the supplied FritsJurgens adhesive, apply to the top of the 10mm packer, locate the FritsJurgens pivot plate and knock down into final position. This will allow the FritsJurgens pivot plate to sit above the finished floor level and the Thompson base plate to be entirely hidden underneath the finished floor material.